To insert a row in a data table, we need to select its position by clicking on the row headers here on the left. Remember to click one row below the place where you want to have the new row inserted. There are two ways we can insert a row using a shortcut key. The first, and perhaps the simplest one, is the hotkey using Control with the plus sign. And there we go. The new row is in its place now. This shortcut is convenient if you've got a keyboard with a numeric keypad or number pad on the right. Now let's click somewhere else in the data table and we'll have a look at the other useful shortcut key to insert a row in Excel. To use this shortcut, hold down the Alt key and press the keys for I and R along. And here it is. A new row's been inserted. There's a little trick to help you remember which keys to press after holding down the Alt key. The letter I is the initial letter of the word insert, and R is for row. To use this shortcut, there's no need of having a numeric pad on the keyboard. And of course, you can use both shortcut keys to insert multiple rows at once. The steps to follow are the same. Select exactly as many rows as you want to insert, and just in the place where you want to insert them. We want to insert 4 rows now, so we'll select 4 rows and use one of the 2 shortcut keys presented earlier, and that's it. 4 new rows are there.